Hello, welcome back to another video. This is V Buzzing with V. Okay, today's video is a Cupid swap and it's hosted by Rachel Tolman. My partner is Ashley with Ashley Bright Crafts. I will have them both linked below. So I am including the little heart bag, and I'm kind of going through it really fast. It has embellishments in it. I'm also including this jar that I decorated and altered the lid with, full of banners. I will all the videos have been created for this already, so a lot of this stuff you've already seen, so I'm just showing you how I wrap things up and how I decorate it to go out for a swap. So all the videos will be linked below for every project that I created, so you can take a look at that as well. So this heart I picked up from Amazon. It's an acrylic heart, and it holds a lot of stuff. So I just have tons of bows in there. They're plastic bows, and they're decorated with some stickers. I'm also including this banner that I made, and I tied it up with some twine. I'm also including this here. These are ice cream embellishments that I also made, and I'm including it with a flag and a paper clip along with the little shaker, as well as these are tags, and I also included a flag. I'm also including some hearts, mint and pink little tiny hearts that I have, and I included it here in this decorated jar. So I just decorated the lid with some paper, very easy to do. This is such a simple swap, so everything that I created was something that I just thought of and thought to include in a shoebox. So the shoebox is all that we have to include in the swap. That's the only rule. So I included this here. This is inspired by Shara Crane. It is a cluster heart, and I was in her Crafty Pals, and she showed us how to do that. So I made one of those. Unfortunately, her Crafty Pals is no longer open. So, however, check her out. She has some other things going on, and you will not be sorry. So check her out. That embellishment there that I just showed you is in a bag that was gifted to me by Janiva. I will have her linked below as well. So I made Ashley a little charm box, embellishment box. So very simple box. Since it is a shoe box, I couldn't make something elaborate and big, so I included this tiny one. I thought it was such a cute little embellishment box to include. I'm also included this bow that I received from Lori, who is creating for fun. I will have her linked below. She had that on some wrapping paper, so I just reused it here, and it looks really nice. I think it goes well. I made Ashley some paper clips with these wood veneers. They're lip veneers, and I just love how they came out. I'm trying to get into these, so I just made her 4. The clips are from Joann Fabric Store, so I will have that linked below. I believe it's their brand of clips, and I just one year I just picked up a lot of them because I love them. I love the thickness and wideness of them, and they're cute and little as well. So I picked up a few, well, more than a few, but so I'm including this miniature mailbox, and I had it here with a bow, a bow that was clipped onto the bag. The bow is gifted to me from Amy L. I will have her linked below as well. And so inside here, all I have are these embellishments. Oh my goodness. So Eve, I will have her linked below as well, made these cute doily embellishments, and I just had to recreate some for myself and give to Ashley. I think they're the cutest things. So I just loved how these turned out. So check her out. I know Janiva also made a wand using these, so check both of them out. Janiva and Eva, I will have them both linked below. Okay, this is everything that fit in my shoebox, and hopefully Ashley will enjoy them. And I so wanted to go overboard more than a shoebox, but Rachel was adamant that all she asked is that it would be in a shoebox. So shoebox it is, and then I made sure that it was a cute pink shoebox as well, that she can reuse, at least that she can reuse the box for anything that she would like. So I'm going to go into decorating the box. Well, not decorating, but more so packaging up the box to send off. So I was so happy that this box was accepted as a Cupid mail, and it was going to be there fast. So I was super excited about that as well. I don't know how that happened, but it did. And it wasn't even a cubic. It was, I think it was 12 by 13, so it was considered one. So yeah, I was excited about that. So I'm also including this sequins mix here that you've already seen, and also including some chocolates that you will see later. So this is the cute pink box that I picked up from Amazon. If you guys want to check that out, I will have it linked below. So again, I'm putting some heart tissue paper in here, and this heart tissue paper has some glitter on it that I thought was really neat, that it had those red hearts plus some glitter bits. I thought it was really nice to include in this swap. So just a pop of red. Mostly everything is pastel with some navy and some red. So I really enjoyed that as well. So I'm going to start off with the embellishment box first, and I'm going to add it to the right hand side here. So everything is very compact, and really, I so wanted to make a 3D project that was elaborate like always, but couldn't do it with this box. But I love this box, the swap. I thought it was just a neat idea to include it in a shoebox like this. It's so cute and so sweet as well, and everything has to be so miniature small. And I just loved it. Everything that I made here was with Ashley in mind, and hopefully she enjoys this. So the jar lids, I usually love to cluster and pile up embellishments on top of those lids if I have time. If I don't, then I decorate them with just a ribbon or a sticker. But in this case, I added a puffy sticker and tried to make it as elaborate as I could with that, and that's what I created. Okay, so now I'm including my embellishments on the side of that, and made sure that everything was decorated very flat, kind of like flat mail, and also cute as well. So I did it simple with the twine and tied some twine to it. I added this bag from Dollar Tree. It's a heart bag. I just love them. So it has a red heart. There's my mailbox on the left hand side that I squeezed in and decorated with some bags that were gifted to me by Janiva as well in a personal swap. I will have her linked below again. And I'm stuffing some of my embellishments on the side there. That way more projects can fit on top. So the major projects that I have for this swap are the mailbox as well as the heart bag. Oh my goodness, I just love that banner right there, just across there. Oh, and those cactus clips are from Dollar Tree. You can find them on Amazon as well. I don't know what it is about cactus, but this year the cactus are just coming to they're just eye-popping for me right now, and you will see a hint of cactus here and there throughout my projects because I'm just obsessed with cactus right now. So there is my heart bag that I made recently. I'm also including some die cuts just for look. So this is the this is the mini album lip die. This is Paper Hugs. That was gifted to me by Angela, who has loved pink dragonflies. I will have her link below as well. There's my card, and I'm also including this felt heart. Be sure to check out the other crafters in this group. They're so talented, as well as my partner and the host, Rachel. Check her out. I'm going to add this crinkle fill to the box as well, and I will be also adding some, I believe I do add some sequins later on, but my card's going to go on top as well. And hopefully Ashley enjoys this, and thank you for everything that you made ahead of time. I appreciate you. And check her out, you guys. She will be linked below. So this just about concludes the video. I'm gonna close up the box and show you some candies that I picked up from Target. I love picking things up from Target. That is my store because they offer a curbside pickup, so I'm always ordering from them. And so there's the box. It's magnetic. I just love this cute shoebox. It's such a cute box. I tied it up with ribbon later on, I believe, or probably didn't. I probably forgot. I think I forgot. So there's my candies. I picked up the pink box because it was pink. I will see you guys next time.